Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a histogram plot using Python in Google Colab. Histogram shows distribution of values. Histogram is similar to bar graph, but it is useful to show values grouped in bins or intervals. For example, we can collect the age of each employee in a company and show it in the form of a histogram to know how many employees are there in the range of 0 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years, etc. For this purpose, we should take the employee ages and bins as follows. The bin list contains 0, 10, 20 and so on. These indicate the range from 0 to 9, 10 to 19, etc. excluding the outer limit. Let's move to Colab. For importing Matplotlib, type import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We have taken a list for storing the age of each employee. EMP age equal to a list 22, 45, 30, 59, 58, 56, 67, 43, 50, 40, 34, 33, 25, 19. For the bin list, bins equal to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. For plotting the histogram, we have to write plot.hist, then employee ages, comma, bins. Now, hist type for the type of the histogram. Here I am choosing bar, comma, r width, that is the width of a line, 0.8, comma, and color color equal to green. For plotting the level, we have to write plt.xLevel inside first bracket. We are writing employee ages. Similarly, for y level, plt.ylevel inside first bracket, number of employee, for the title we have to write plt.title that is, I am writing here Microsoft. Now for the legend, plt.legend. For showing the plot, you just have to write plt.show. Now I am running this code. As you can see, here is a error. We have mistakenly write y levels. This is the final output, and thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.